Hey guys, behind me is a BMW E36 convertible. In today's video, we're going to discuss the tensioning straps for the convertible roof, guys. Let's get into it right away. Okay guys, so it doesn't matter if you use your roof or if you don't use your roof. This is an extremely common problem on these. The tensioning straps wear out. So now the tensioning straps on these roofs have basically two purposes, okay? And I'm gonna cover them right now. So purpose number one, okay, let's open this part of the roof. It doesn't matter if it's a manual opening one or if it's a fully automatic. In our case, it's automatic. So I'm gonna open this right now and I will show you what it's doing. Okay, so I opened the first section of the roof. So yes, normally there's a plastic cover here, which I have removed, and also my liner is removed. So basically the tensioning straps go all the way from here. They actually go all the way down here. Like that's what they look like. And their whole purpose is to fold this roof in the proper order, which already it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna open this back part up. So I'll do that right now. Okay, so the back is opened as you can see. So see how my glass here is doing this kind of thing, right? So every time I open my roof, I have to get in here and I have to by hand straighten this, right? So on the actual roof itself, there's little tensioning straps here, see? Which are completely worn out. You have no elasticity to them. So there's one there, and also there is another one, see, right here. So what those two do, right, those help with the glass folding the proper way, right? So those are worn out. So when I get a brand new roof, these will be there on the new roof, right? There's also another set here, see? So this part here does not stretch, but see, on it is these, see? So these are supposed to be stretchy, see? So those also help it guide the roof. And another thing these ones do, so there's one there, and there's also another one up here, see? Right on here, also completely worn out. So when you lower this, I will show you that when this is up and you lower this part, this slams down. So that helps with that. That's what that's for. Okay, so now getting to these front ones here, right? So right here, if you didn't know, you wouldn't even know what this is supposed to do. So right here, see, this is like a metal. There's like a metal inside. That's not worn out. That part is fine. But this here, inside of it, there's like an elastic material, which is completely worn out. There's no elasticity to this, right? So now what ends up happening is, okay, I'm gonna open this back part. Okay, so see the back part's open. So now the next step is gonna be for this to fold in there. So now, if I start to lower this, watch, I will show you. I hate doing it this way, but I'm gonna do it for this video. See how that slams? So right in here, you can see, right, here is the two straps that I showed you earlier. So there's one, there's the other, which are completely worn out. So that would have helped with it slamming. Plus there's another one here. See, this would be pulling on this back. See, that's completely worn out. So you need a new elastic there. But also on top of this, look, there's also elastics attached to this, which help everything fold, right? So here there isn't one on top, but here, watch, see, there is one on top here. So I mean, you could totally repair this, but you would have to take your roof off, unscrew these straps, you know, get your grandma to grab a sewing machine, purchase some, you know, nice elastic stuff like this, and you could sew it into the right spots, right? But if you don't understand why and where the elastic material is, you're not really able to do that. So that's why I'm showing you right now. Okay, we're moving on. Okay, so now the purpose of these straps, right? So like I said, inside of this, there is like a strap like this, right? So this, as you're closing the roof, this is supposed to shrink. And why does it do that? I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, let's start folding this roof up. Right now, I apologize if you can't super see good right now, but let's just do it. Okay, so I'm lowering the roof, see? So now you'll notice over here, see what's happening? These straps have no elasticity to them. So this part of the roof right here is folding the wrong way. What it's supposed to be doing is, see, if you pull on the strap like so, like the way it's naturally supposed to pull, see? What it's supposed to be doing is it's supposed to flip this metal thing like this way. See? Get it? So if this is pulling like this, see, look. It's supposed to flip that up like this. And what that does is it makes this go upwards like this. Let me show you on the other side. See, so on this side, same thing. See, if this was pulling, right, it would flip that up. See, like this. See, this one, you can see it better. See, it's supposed to be doing this. And while it's doing that, see, now it pushes this up. So when this roof folds down, so now I have to get in here and I have to get this window to go like that so it folds properly. Okay, let's lower it some more. See, now it's folding good. It's doing everything it's supposed to be doing. So now, see, this material here is inside, right? Okay, I'm gonna open it back up and let it close without me adjusting those straps, and you'll see what I mean, how it doesn't do it properly. So I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so this time around, I'm gonna go to close it, right? And I'm not gonna manually poof these out, right? I'm not gonna touch them. So watch what happens now. You guys ready for this? All right, see, it's going down. See, so now, this part of the roof, instead of being out like this, it's going inwards. So now when we close it all the way, see, this time around, our window has by itself lined up. But that's what those straps in here are for, is to make it fold just like that. The longer ones are there partially so it doesn't slam, as you've seen earlier. I hope I'm explaining that good. And these ones here are for the purpose of having this pop out, not be in. Because if you have it in like that, see, ready? I'm gonna close it up. See, so now, when you go to close this, see, this part of the roof's not underneath the way it's supposed to be. So I think I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I just did this video so people would understand the purpose of the straps. I will be repairing the straps or replacing them in a further video. And I will also be putting a brand new roof on, ultra step by step. So that's why you should subscribe. So when that video does come out, you can easily get to it. And if it already has come out, just click on both of them right here. There's gonna be a strap video and there's gonna be a changing the top video. Thanks for watching my awesome channel on restoring this beautiful car. Till next time, everybody.